Hello everyone and welcome back to Code with Lisa channel and to our Java tutorial series. Today we will be learning about escape sequences and comments in Java. These are essential for making your code more readable and handling special characters in your output. So let's get started. Every Java application starts with a class definition. The name of the class should match the name of the file. So let's create a main class. Okay. Public class main defines a class named main, and we need to make an application entry point in other code. This is a method, so let's just print public static void main. This is a method or function. Then we need to declare string arguments, and that allows you to pass information to the program when you run it. And then you need to write the brackets. Okay, and inside the brackets there will be the body of our function. In order to output the line in console, you need to write system.out.println. And then you need to write round brackets and double quotes, and inside double quotes you can write your text that you want to output. And in the end you need to write a semicolon, and let's just see how it works. So we can see the text or information in our console in Run tab. Yes, hello world. Okay. There is also another opportunity, so let's just print as out, and IntelliJ IDEA asks us to choose, and I delete ln in order to show you the difference between these two options. And let's say here hello, and one more line, 7th line, where I will print world. So I will just copy it, and the difference between 5th and 7th or 6th lines is that the first line will print and move to the next line. So let's just see how it works. And 6th and 7th line print without moving to the next line. So we can see here hello world in one line because we have println, yeah, and hello world in the second line because here we have hello, and then we have world in another line where we have only print without ln. And now let's see another opportunity that will print and move to the next line that calls backspace sequence. So let's just say System.out.println, and I'll write first line, and I have to write /n and second line. And you will see that firstly in the first line we will see first line, and in the second line we will see second line because we have this /n. So we can see it here. But what if you want to make a tabulation, or in other words a space or a tab in programming and text editor, a character used to align text or code? So we need just print the same text, but I will change line into columns, and we have to write /t. In this case we will see that our line will have this space. So firstly first column, then we have space, and second column. In Java you can use escape sequences to print special characters, and let's see how we can print double quotes, for example. And in order to print it I will just print this is a double quote, and then we have to declare a slash, then we have to declare double quotes, and for example quoted text that I want to print these quotes, and then we have to make slash and double quotes one more, and then I can print for example dot or another text, it doesn't matter. So let's see how it works. Yes, and we can see this is a double quote and text inside. You have to remember that firstly you need to write this slash. Okay, let's talk about how to print a single quote. So it has the very simple structure. So let's write this is a single quotes, and in order to make it we need to just to declare this single quotes, and then a text that we want to see, for example single quotes, single quotes, and in the end we can just print something, for example dot in my case, dot. Okay, so let's see how it works. So this is a single quote and we can see this single quotes. Okay, and how we can print a backslash character? So I just copy this line and let's write backslash, and in order to make it we need just make a double backslash for example so I delete these quotes, backslash, and then we can write a text that we want to see. Okay, and that's all. And let's see how it works. And here we can see this backslash. So it's very simple. And now let's talk about comments. So comments in Java are used to explain code and make it more readable. And in order to create it, we just need to write forward slashes and our text. And comments ignored by the compiler and don't affect to the program's execution. So let's see it. So here we see our line without this is a backslash, because this is a comment. And of course you can comment a big parts of the code. So you can comment one line, two lines, and how you want. Okay, and I think that it was all for today. And thank you very much for watching. And see you in the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.